Good morning children. Today third class mathematics. Here also we are discussing multiplication word problems. Okay, that is exercise 5.6. Yesterday I explained ninth problem. What is the ninth problem? How many members you are completed children? I think you have to, I said already. Just try. It will come. It is like the same fifth problem also I said. Okay. How many members did you finish the who are finished? Those are very good. It is in your textbook page number 62. Everyone open textbook page number 62 children. I am reading the ninth question again. See here. Ninth one. Before going to start the problem, read the question at least 2 times I said. Okay. A bus that can seat 76 people makes 34 trips in a week. If the bus is completely full on all its trips, how many people traveled by the bus over the week? They are telling the bus capacity is 76 people and the bus it will be trips in 34 times in a week. Okay, 34 trips in a week. If the bus is completely full on all its trips, how many people traveled by the bus over the week? First of all, you have to write down ninth one, number of seats in a bus. Number of seats in a bus equal to how many? 76. Okay, and number of trips in a week. Number of trips in a week is equal to 34. If the bus is completely full on its trips, how many people traveled by the bus over the week? Here they are asking number of people traveled by the week. You have to write down number of people traveled. Okay, number of people traveled. Traveled by the bus. I am continuing here over the week. Is equal to, you have to multiply 76 into 34. Why? Because here they given trips in a week. They did not given in a single day. They given in a week. So we should multiply these numbers. Arrange the numbers 76 into 34. First here 76 is the multiplicand, 34 is the multiplier. 4 to you can multiply these two numbers first. That is 4 into 6. 4 6 are how much? 4 1s 4, 4 2s 8, 4 3s 12, 4 4 16, 4 5 20, 4 6 are 24. Write down side. 4 cut and write here. 2 you can write down in the next place. Regrouping. 4 into 7. 4 sevens. 4 sevens 28. 28 plus 2 29 30. 30 also 2 digit number. You can write down two numbers here. Why? Because here any number not there for writing regrouping. Ones place multiplication over. Keep 0 in the ones place. Now you can multiply with the tens place multiplication. 3 into 6. 3 6 18. 8 cut and write here. 1 you can write down in the next place. Regrouping. 3 sevens 21. 21 plus 1 22. This 22 also you can write down directly here. Okay, now we can add these two numbers. 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 8, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 as it is 2. Okay, here you have to write down. Therefore, 2584 people traveled by the bus. Over the week. Here, no need to do the multiplication again with the 7. Why? Because they give a number of trips in a week, that is 34. So directly I done here. Next, 10th one. Once everyone open your book, textbook, page number 62. I am reading the question. A box contains 528 pencils. How many pencils would there be in 15 such boxes? First of all, you have to write down a box contains 528 pencils, means number of pencils in a box. First step, number of pencils in a box, that is equal to 528. And the next, how many pencils would be there in 15 such boxes? Means number of boxes is equal to 15. And a box, last what they are asking, number of pencils in 15 such boxes. Number of pencils in 15 such boxes is equal to 528 into 15. Now, arrange the numbers. Number to number must leave the finger gap. And 1, 5, 15. Now, you can here 528 is the multiplier, 15 is the multiplier. You can multiply 5 into 8. 5 8 40. 40. 0 cut and write here. 4 you can write here. 5 2s 10. 10 plus 4 14. 4 cut and write here. 1 here. 5 5s 25. 25 plus 1 26. Total 26 write down here. Why? Because here any number not there for writing. Regrouping. Ones place completed multiplication means keep 0 in the ones place. Now we are doing tens place multiplication. 1 into 8. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. 1 5s are 5. Now we can add these numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 8. 4 in the mind, take 8 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 write down side. Why? Because it is also 2-digit number. 2 cut and write here. 1 you can write down in the next place. Regrouping. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. 2 plus 5, 7. Okay. Therefore, last what did they ask? How many pencils would be there in 15 such boxes? Therefore, 7,920 pencils. Pencils would there be in 15 such boxes. boxes. Okay. This is the answer. Same like this. Next question, that is 11th one. At a fun park, 239 children paid 35 each at the entrance. How much money was paid at the entrance? 11th one. Number of children. First step, number of children is equal to, that is 239, and cost of each entrance. Cost of each entrance is equal to rupees 35. How much money was paid by the entrance? Okay. Total cost for entrance is equal to 239 into rupees 35. Okay. Now you can multiply. 239 into rupee symbol 35. Cost means rupees. So I am showing with the rupee symbol. Now 239 is the multiplicand, 35 is the multiplier. So 5 to multiply this 3-digit number first. 5 into 9, 5 9s 45. 45 is a 2-digit number. So you can write down sign 45. 5 cut and write here. 4 next place. Regrouping. 5 is 15. 15 plus 4. 15 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 15 after. 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 write down side. 9 cut and write here. 1 next place. Regrouping. 5 2s 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 total right here. Why? Because here any number not there for writing regrouping. Ones place multiplication over means keep 0 in the ones place. Now 3 into 9. 3 9s 27. 7 cut and write here. 2 next place regrouping. 3 3s 9. 9 plus 2. 9 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 9 after, 10, 11. 1 cut and write here. 1 next place, regrouping. 3 2s, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now you can add these numbers. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 7. 9 in the mind, take 7 fingers. 9 after, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 right here. 6 cut and right here. 1 next place, regrouping. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 7, 8. Okay. It is rupees means keep the rupee symbol. Okay. Here you have to write down how much money was paid at the entrance. Therefore, rupees 8,365 was paid at the entrance. Okay, this is the answer. Here the given thing and answer. Imran is celebrating his granny's 65th birthday today. Write her age in month. How you can do? How you can do means here horse question. 1 year is equal to 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. Okay. And 65th birthday means she has 65 years. 65 years means you have to multiply 65 with the 12. You will get the answer. Okay, this one you only do the multiplication. Arrange the numbers and multiply and write down answer in the given dash. Okay, this is your homework today. What is your homework today? Do in maths notes. Doing maths notes. Exercise 5.6, 9, 10, 11 problems. That is textbook page number 62. These hearts you can do in your rough notes are here side and you have to write down in the answer in the given dash. This is your homework today. Thank you.